Hello, hello. Hi, my name is Mark the Dragon. How's it going, everyone? I hope you had a beautiful weekend. And guess what? Today we are doing a math assessment. So excited. So, what this means, parents, grandparents, siblings, cousins, friends, please take a break. Go get a cup of coffee. Go have a bowl of cereal. Because Miss Diaz is going to guide your student. It's very, 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 very important that every student does this math test by themselves. Okay? It will help the teachers understand what the student needs help on. So if they don't know an answer, that's totally cool. And if they know the answer, that is totally awesome. Okay, boys and girls, get your supplies ready. And good luck. You guys got this. Remember, it's okay not to know, but it's not okay to give up and throw yourself on the floor and cry and whine and complain. No, let's be positive. Say, you know what? I got this. And if I don't know the answer, it's totally cool. It's not the end of the world, right? Right? Okay, enough of me. Enough of me talking. May the force be with you. You guys rock. Woo! Okay, Ms. Diaz is coming. Bye, guys.
Ay, Mark. He's a handful, huh, guys? How's it going? Happy Monday. I hope you all had a beautiful weekend. As you can see, we are doing a math test. Mark told us that we're going to do great, right? And that parents and grandparents and anyone who's around is not going to help, right? Because we need to do this by ourselves. I will guide you. So if you don't have a ruler at home, I sent you guys a little PDF so you can print it out and cut it out. So if you haven't cut it out yet, make sure you pause the video and cut your ruler out. And if you printed out your assessment, take it out, have it ready. And have your important tool ready, your lapis, your pencil. And if you don't have a printer, it's totally cool. Make sure you have a blank piece of paper ready, your pencil ready. And like I said, if you don't have a ruler and you don't have a printer to print out the ruler, make sure you follow along. Today, we will be using centimeters. See the centimeters right there? Centimeters. We're not using inches. We're using centimeters, okay? Centimeters. Alrighty, guys, let's get started. I will keep going. If you guys need to stop, please pause the video. Do not panic, okay? And I'll be using a marker. If I use a marker, you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Because if I use a pencil, you won't be able to see what I'm doing, right? All right. As every assignment, you have to put your name. Put your name. I'll put my name. You put your name. The date. 9/21, 2020, September 21, 2020. And if you have your blank piece of paper because you don't have your assessment ready, put your name and your date, 9/21, 2020. And let's get this party started. All right, let's look at number 1. It says, use your ruler to find the length of the pencil and the crayon. So let's look at our pictures. We got a crayon and we got a pencil. And guess what? We got our ruler. Remember, we're using centimeters. So we're gonna measure the crayon first, guys. Okay. A says, how long is the crayon? The answer will be blank centimeters. So let's look at our ruler. Let's look at the picture. How long is the crayon. Take a good look at it. Pause the video if you need to. And write that measurement down on the line. For those of you who have a piece of paper, you're going to put 1 dot, a smile, line, centimeter, centimeter. And you're going to write the measurement on the line, okay? Make sure you fill it out. If you need time, pause the video. Now let's look at B. How long is the pencil? Ooh, let's look at the pencil. Let's put our ruler at the point of the pencil, the lead part. Okay, oops. And let's look at this over here at the end of the eraser. Make sure you put a little dot, guys. Put dots so our eyeballs can kind of focus. There's a lot of little lines, tiny itty bitty lines. Look at that measurement. How long is the pencil? Now make sure you write the number down here on the line. For those of you with your piece of paper, put B, smile, the line, centimeters, centimeter, and write how long the pencil is in centimeters, okay? Now look at that, pause the video if you need to, and then let's move on to C. Which is longer? So let's look at our pictures. Got the crayon and our pencil, and then let's look at our answers right here on A and B. From looking at the centimeters for each one, which one was longer? Was it the crayon or was it the pencil? Make sure you're looking at those two and you're telling me which one was longer. Okay, now let's look over here. You're gonna put C, and let's put crayon. Let's put crayon, and let's put pencil. Now tell me which one was longer. Was it the crayon or was it the pencil? Make sure you either underline it or circle it, okay? Underline it and circle it. Do not leave it blank. Do not just leave crayon and pencil by themselves, because then we're not going to know which one you're saying is longer. When we won't know which one you mean is longer. So make sure you circle either the crayon or the pencil. We want to see a circle around the one that you think is longer. Okay? Put a circle. Was it the crayon or the pencil? Over here, C, you're just going to write either the crayon or the pencil. Okay, now let's look at D. How much longer? Ooh, by how much longer was the blank than the other one? Okay, so let's look at the crayon. We said that the crayon was blank centimeters long. We put a dot, right? And we said that the pencil was blank centimeters long, right? So which one was longer, and by how many centimeters was it longer? Write your measurement right there. By how many more centimeters? And over here, we're going to put D, smiley face, and you're going to put blank centimeters. Centimeters. Okay. Blank was longer by blank centimeters. Now let's look at number 2. Use the broken centimeter ruler to solve the problem. Ooh, so we have this broken centimeter right here, and we're going to use that to solve this problem. A grasshopper jumped 7 centimeters forward and 4 centimeters back. And then he stopped. And then stopped. If the grasshopper started at 18, where did the grasshopper stop? Show your work. Ooh. So let's jump onto the broken ruler. Oops. And you're going to tell me where the grasshopper started. So look at the numbers and look at the word problem. Okay? Where did he start? Make sure you circle it. And then you're going to tell me how many times he moved forward, how many times he moved backward, and stop. Where did he stop? Make sure you circle where he stops, okay? Show your work. After you show your work, you're going to write a complete sentence by answering the problem. It says, where did the grasshopper stop? You're going to tell me where the grasshopper stopped. So make sure you write a complete sentence at the bottom of the broken ruler, okay? We've been writing complete sentences for these word problems, so you can do it. You got this. You guys are big second graders. So let's look at number 2. If we don't have the printed assessment, let's write long number scale, okay? So that way that'll be our ruler. It's a little crooked. It's not the perfect broken ruler, but it's okay. Let's start at 15 and count all the way to 30. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. Tell me, where did the grasshopper start? Circle that number. And then you're going to tell me with your broken ruler or your number scale broken ruler, how many times did he move forward and how many times he moved backward? And then where did he stop? I'll read it one last time. A grasshopper jumped 7 centimeters forward and 4 centimeters back, and then he stopped. If the grasshopper started at 18, where did the grasshopper stop? Show your work. I added a he. Automatically assumed the grasshopper's a he. Okay, you're going to show me your work on the rulers, and then you're going to write a complete sentence. Make sure you write a complete sentence on the bottom right here, okay? And tell me, where did the grasshopper stop? Okay, if you need time, pause the video. And remember, once you're done, take a good picture of your math assessment so the teachers can see your work. Sometimes it's really hard to see your guys' work whenever the picture isn't taken carefully, okay? So do your best in taking the picture and send it to us, okay? All right, guys, have a beautiful Monday. Tomorrow we will do part 2, okay? Bye, guys. Have a beautiful one.